Namaste. Welcome to Vishwa Yoga. My name is Vishwa. In this video, I will talk about the sun practice of Tantric Hatha Yoga, which emphasizes the connection to prana. Prana is a Sanskrit word that refers to the life force energy that flows in our body. It is responsible for maintaining physical, mental, and spiritual health, and it is considered the force that animates all living beings. In Sanskrit, sun is called Surya. The sun is considered the source of prana as it provides the energy that sustains life on earth. This prana flows in our body as an air element through the breath movement, regulating the energy in our body. This breath through the lungs is connected to our heart center and surrounding area, or you can call it Anahata Chakra. Thus, this practice can stimulate the heart center and promote greater balance and harmony for both physical and emotional well-being. However, prana is not limited to just the heart center area, as it flows through energy channels or nadis that connect, energizes, and feed every cell of our body. The sun practice is based on solar energy, which leads to shining both internally and externally. The solar qualities are radiant, electric, active, positive, creative, projective, outgoing, extroverted, and masculine. It radiates heat and light, promoting blossoming and growth, to perceive the truth and reality rather than what others say and see. This practice can give you energy and can help you to control weight and depression. As the ancient Upanishad says, this prana and that sun are the same. When the sun rises, it destroys the darkness and fear. In the word Hat, the Ha sound represents the sun, which primarily connects to Pingala Nadi and the energy body, also known as Pranamaya Kosh. So, in the sun practice, you will learn about the principles and different aspects of prana and how to use it skillfully to deal with situations in life. You will activate the solar force by connecting to prana shakti and cultivate more energy and strength using specific movements of asana, pranayama with bandhas, mudra, and meditation. Bandhas are the doorway to the energetics of yoga practice. Perfecting bandha increases our sensitivity and relationship to prana, leading to greater vitality, enthusiasm, personal power, willpower, expansiveness, self-esteem, and subtle awareness. It helps us to take action, make decisions, and assert ourselves in the world. It also builds creative power, awakens self-knowledge, and accelerates the process of transformation, taking your practice to next level. This practice is not for beginners. You should be familiar with classical pranayama and bandhas as how to use them. The sun practice serves as the foundation for the final and most powerful stage called fire practice. So, who needs this practice more often? If you are experiencing lack of energy, oversleeping, fatigue, feeling low, lack of creativity, or loss of interest in things you used to love doing, or if your weight has started changing, either gaining or losing, it may be the time to try the sun practice. These can also be sign of depression. On the other hand, if you have heart disease, hypertension, hyperactivity, anxiety, burnout, or meltdown, a hot temperament such as anger issues, or can be easily provoked, this practice is not for you. If you are going through any of these issues or even depression, please first get the guidance before attempting this practice. Please note that prana is like electricity. It is not discriminatory. It will enhance and amplify whatever you put into it. Therefore, if you do this practice with feelings of insecurity, frustration, or negativity, you may unintentionally fuel those emotions with more prana, making them even more stronger or powerful. So, it is very important to bring your moon with you when you're doing the sun practice. And finally, sun practice also has different levels, variations, and applications. Some popular yoga styles such as Ashtanga or Vinyasa based classes incorporate sun components. However, not all these classes use a systematic approach to apply the principles to direct the prana for its intended goal. And if it is not done that way, it becomes more like an earth practice or fusion practice. So, this was a short introduction to the sun practice of Tantric Hatha Yoga. If you have any questions or would like to know more, please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a wonderful day. Namaste. Thank you so much for listening. If you like the information, please subscribe, like, and share so that everyone else can also enjoy this.